You see, there are some fishing activities going on here. See that fisherman with a canoe. Imagine that man is going to the deep sea with that small canoe. People are so daring outside here. I can't step on that thing. So people are earning a living from this ocean through fishing. There is this barren land here. There is not much water by now. I think in the evening, all of this place will be covered with water. And so we are still exploring this highway here. All this is a bridge because water is everywhere. It cuts across the Indian Ocean. So it's an endless bridge, a continuous bridge. It goes kilometers. But one thing I must tell you guys, there is a very, very cool breeze over here. You won't even feel that you are on a hot sun. It's where nothing covers, but the breeze here is so cool that you feel you are under shade. See this mangrove forest here. It's an island consisting of the beautiful mangrove forest, bringing that cool temperature, cooling the temperature down here. I like this place, guys. It's very cool. It's very, very cool. It hibernates you from the hot temperatures of Mombasa city. See, we are in. You can see the other side of the ocean. So all this is an island here. All this is a boat. This one is an ocean. Those are traffic lights. No traffic lights, but I don't know how they are called. That lights providing See, the road is very smooth. See, it's a 2-lane. There's another one like this on the other side that has not been opened officially. So this is the pedestrian walk, pedestrian way. The other one is for motorists. This one here, and this is the barrier. Here we have the light posts. So it's safe for both motorists and pedestrians as well. You see that mangrove forest. True nature. This is true nature, undisturbed. So here there's a post. Slow down, loose chipping area. Yeah, so don't just rush. Don't rush to your fatal accident area. Just go slow so that you pass that point. Go slow, arrive safely. Don't rush to your grave. Loose chipping area. Speed limit 40. But this one is still under construction. So this one down here is the company constructing the road. It's situated on this island here. They are planting some more coconut trees, some mango tree I can see. So I just finished one end of the bridge and I'm now on the island. I'm now on the dry land, but I'm still within the Indian Ocean. It's just that I'm on the dry land part of it, the island, where we have the construction company. This feet like plateau, I don't know, it's like a plain field here, but I know it can't be this all time round. I can see some pools of water. It's a very clear field. This can be a very good recreational ground since it has some coconut trees around it. But I think water sometimes gets to this level. Still construction work going on. You see, this is called the retaining wall. So they are still constructing the retaining wall here to retain this land mass. Some people are trying their luck here with farming. Oh my, there are some pools of water here. People are trying their luck here with farming. But how long can this last really? Maybe if they do irrigation. This is a drainage line draining water from the highway to the sea. They are planting some coconut trees here. I don't know whether these are coconut tree or palm tree. So we were there. That's the beginning of the bridge, and now we are here. Still soldiering on. We are still moving on. At least here you can see some settlements. Some kind of people are living here. But they are just cluster settlements. You see, like this one here, this fencing here, people are already buying plots here and fencing for future projects. So this other side is still, we are still in the ocean. You see, there is the water. These islands. That the breeze here is very cool, it's very welcoming. next 5 years, this will be a very beautiful place, and all this bare land will be populated. I can see people grabbing their shares here. All this bare land will be populated in the next 2 to 5 years. You won't see a bare land. Here there will be some restaurants, some cafes, some recreational areas. Because water don't normally get to this place. You can see that one down there is the highest limit of the ocean. So here it's like you are living on a natural bare land, but you are inside the ocean. It's an island. Coming from Kwale County, you can make a U-turn. It's written U-turn 400 meters ahead. The one that you can't see. Try to zoom it. U-turn overpass. So this is a yard. It's a yard here where construction materials are being collected. You can see work is still going on. So construction work is still going on here. See, this area is very cool, very green. Very green. It's a very cool area. Cool. There's still construction work going on. This place is very nice. Very nice. That one over there is written. It's very fun. Let me get close. Yeah, tuta Nairobi Miritini, Moi International Airport, lane 1, lane 2. So here's the exit. So you can come and exit at this point here. Look at this beautiful place. This place is very cool, man. Look at that. And I can see like only 3 homes here. The place is very cool. On the other side we have there's a police station over here, that blue one. You can see the flags. Yeah. So yeah, speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour. Here we measure speed in kilometers per hour, not per mile. So this place is called Sonza. I can see Sonza police station. See, this place is full of mangrove tree, but people are living here. There is people are fencing their homes here, their plots. You see the fence, and there is an urban center coming up here. Like I told you, this infrastructure has opened many doors for economic development. So people are living here. There is a fence. Someone has fenced a big compound here. Yeah, there's this urban center coming up. Even on this side, you see construction work is coming up everywhere. So this is a service lane. That's the main highway. See that? Where I am is the service lane, and there is construction work coming up here. This is the service lane. So this is like a junction. So this is where you can exit and go back if in case you're lost or you want to exit the main highway. So there is written Kenha. Let me get near. But you can see, as you can see, people are constructing structures here. Structures are springing up. So this area is written Kenha inakukaribisha jimbo la Mombasa, which translates to Kenha is welcoming you to the Mombasa County. So from here we begin Mombasa County. We are done with Kwale. This is the junction. See, this side is written Kenha inakukaribisha Kwale County, which translates to Kenha welcome you to Kwale County. From the other side it's written Kenha welcomes you to Mombasa County. So I'm now in Mombasa County, and the other side is Kwale County. We are still on the same highway. The journey is still moving on. You can see the highway is very, very long. It's a long highway connecting 2 counties. I admire this place. It's very cool, very green. See? Infrastructure coming up everywhere. There is even installation of electricity poles. So this highway here has opened many doors for development around this area. See that mango tree over there? The area is very green. And they have the world standard highway. There's no traffic jam here. Maybe it will come in the near future. So roads have expiry dates. So maybe in the next 30 to 50 years, we'll be having traffic jams here. But for now, it's 80 km per hour. Maximum speed. See, people are living here. This is now Mombasa County. We are just from the Kwale County. I can see when some companies are coming up here. See that watchtower? And people are living here. But don't you forget that we are still on an island, because right here we have the mangrove. So we are starting the beginning of another. We are actually ending the island very soon. I can see some mangrove forest starting to grow here. Up there I think there's a school or dispensary, I don't know, but it's a public facility. See that road? Very clean. And there's a field down there. This area is called Sonza. Actually, it's written to Sonza. It starts with letter T, to Sonza. But I think that T is silent, so it's Sonza. I don't know, maybe you can tell us in the comment section the name of this area, but I think it's Sonza. It's written to Zonza. So maybe, I don't know how to read it, but I think it's Sonza. Maybe you can comment below so that you can know this area, for those who come from here. Imagine living in such a place. What a wonderful area. Very cool. It's like you are living next to a beach while you are in your village. Very cool. It's like you're living in a beach while you're right at home. Kenya. This is Mombasa County. We have homes here. All that is a mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. And in the indication that we are nearing the end of this island. You see all these mangrove forest. I don't know whether you can feel that cold breeze. I'm really feeling it, guys. It's very cool outside here. Even though I'm feeling ghastly, it's very cool outside here. Stay safe, stay alert on the road. Accidents can be fought on. That's the notice being shown there. Wow! There are goats here. This place is very cool in nature. See all that? Very cool. You can hear the wind at least, even though you can't feel the cold breeze. I don't know what's being constructed here. Something is being constructed here. I don't know what it is. All that mangrove forest. You see it? Mangrove forest, natural, not human planted. These are natural forests, natural mangrove trees. They are bringing very cool nature here. We are still on the highway. We are almost getting to the end of this island. Niko mtaa. Niko mtaa. That was a good asking if I'm going to where he is heading to. And I was telling him Niko mtaa, which means I'm within the area. I'm not going anywhere. this mangrove forest covers all sides of the road. See? And you can feel the wind, you can hear the wind, I mean. They are cooling the area. So behind this hill here is the ocean. We are just ending the island. Behind this hill here, we have the end of our island and the beginning of the ocean. So here we are getting to another bridge. Another bridge here. We are getting to another bridge here, 40 kilometers per hour. See, this is an ocean. As long as there's no water here right now. There is another beautiful bridge. This other side has water. The other side of the bridge there is water. This other side there is no water. You can only see some pools of water. And there is another bridge. So this island is bridge connected. It's bridge after bridge, bridge after bridge. You see that? This is for pedestrian. This is now riders. That's the bridge. I told you the other side of the road is the same as this one here. But the other side has not been officially opened. You see that pools of water there. That tells you that we are leaving the island. Actually, it's the end of the island. See water on the other side. So we are on this bridge. Cars are passing here at the highest speed, the maximum speed limits, because there's no much traffic here. You overspeed, you die alone. I can see some footprints. I don't know whether these are wild animals or what. I can see someone walking over there. It's like people are getting inside this forest here, this mangrove forest, and there's no water here, like now. This other side there's water. So guys, we are on our final bridge. This is the final bridge. See now here there's water in full swing. That tells you that you are all been walking on an island. within the Indian Ocean. See here, there's water. Actually, water is coming out. Water is coming out. There's a lot of wind here. So we're on the final bridge. Beyond this bridge, this is the bridge. This is actually the beginning of this highway from the mainland side of Mombasa. So as you come from Nairobi, you'll be joining this highway through this bridge here. I'm going to show you the junction. And this is the final bridge. The final and the beginning, depending on where you're coming from. When you're coming from Kwale County is the final bridge. Coming from Mombasa County is the beginning, the first bridge. Here is waterfalls. See the bridge? That over there that you're seeing is the SGR railway, and that one there is the terminus. So if you come from Nairobi using the SGR, that's the terminus. So you can join this highway here when you are going to Diani, Kwale County, Diani Beach. The road is very beautiful. So this was the initial bridge, this one here. You see? This short one. It was joining, it was just for crossing this small branch of the ocean here. But now they've constructed a mega one. This was the one way. I think one car had to wait for the other to pass, but there were no cars because there was no road here. It was just for pedestrians and cyclists. I'm very thirsty, my voice can barely come out. And I'm from the island, it's very ironical. The ocean water is very salty. You can't drink even if you are thirsty. There's no way you can buy water here. See these small canoes. These ones are used for fishing at night. See that, all that is mangrove forest. We are from all over there. This is a mangrove forest. These small canoes are for fishing. So that one will be the way bridge. You see over there? That one will be the way bridge. There are some local structures here coming up. In the next few years, this place will be full of restaurants. So there's a restaurant being constructed along the other side. It can't be seen from this side. The road heading to that restaurant is this one. See this one? There's a restaurant on that other side of the road. It's still under construction. So that tells you that this place will be full, even though this hill here will be full of restaurants.